Hello friends, welcome to our channel Out of Box Tutorial. So in the last videos we saw the uses for loops. In this video we will use for loop to solve this problem statement to find factorial of an entered number. So what is factorial? So factorial can be found using this formula. So n, factorial of n will be equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 up to 1. So let's start that. So we will be defining integers that we are going to use in our program. So we'll be using I, as in this case we want incrementation. We will be using n, which is a user defined number, entered number, and we'll be using another integer f in which we can store factorials. We will understand this in detail. So we will be asking an output statement for entering a number, and that will be the value for n. And now we will be assigning for loop. So see, for loop is divided into three parts. First is initializations. So we will be initializing I to 1, comma, and we will be initializing f to 1, as any number multiplied to 1 will not change its value. So we have assigned f to 1 and we have assigned I to 1. We will see that in detail in further steps. So and terminating this statement, and now we want relations. So relation between I and n, that is I will be always less than equal to n, and incrementation. In this case we want incrementation, so we will be defining I plus plus. And for statements initializations, so that will be C. Now here we want output for factorial. So factorial will be equal to, that is f will be equal to previous f multiplied by I. So see, in this statement, let's see how this program will run. So here we have assigned initialize I to 1. So first it will be multiplied with f, and that will be stored in this f. So that is first step. In next step I will be incremented, and again it will be multiplied with this f and again stored in this f. So again in another case, in another step I will be incremented. It will be multiplied by previous f and again stored in this. So in this way it will be running in loops up to I. When I will be less than equal to n, this step will stop. So in this case, in this way we can find our factorial, and we will be output statement. So that will be nothing but the value of f, and end. So let's run this. So enter a number. So let a number be 4. Enter. So factorial of 4 is 24. That is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 24. So 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12, multiplied by 2, that is 24, multiplied by 1, that is 24. So that's our answer. In this way we can find factorial. So thanks for watching, friends. If you like this video, please like this video, and hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.